Hey Gearheads, my name is Brandon and I'm here with Vintage Air to introduce our new deluxe control panel for the 67 to 68 Camaro. What you're going to get in this kit is a control panel that's fully compatible with Dakota Digital HDX, RTX, and GRFX gauge clusters. With our control panel, you're going to have 32 color options to fully customize the interior of your vehicle. We're going to include one cable from Dakota Digital. This is their 6-pin HLC cable. This will allow you to color match your control panel to the Dakota Digital gauge clusters. We have our Gen 4 to Gen 5 control harness that we're also going to include in this package to allow this control panel to be compatible with any Gen 4 to Gen 5 evaporator kit you might have. We're going to include an install kit. This is going to come with the ground wire for calibration and the hardware needed for mounting. Lastly, you're going to have a hard copy of the instructions so you can follow along as you install yourself. Let's get into this. I've gone ahead and made my way into this beautiful example of a 67 Camaro. With that, I've torn apart the center of the dash to give you a real idea of what it's like to install one of these deluxe control panels. Now before we do that, I want to go over the back of the panel and walk through it with you guys. So on the far left, we have our Vintage Air connector. This is going to allow the control panel to be compatible with the Gen 4 to Gen 5 evaporators offered through Vintage Air. On the far right, we have Dakota Digital's 6-pin HLC connectors. These are either or input or output. It works both ways. These connectors are going to allow you to connect the control panel to Dakota Digital gauges or additional optional gauges like a clock they offer and future gauges to come. Now in the center, we have the button that controls everything. This is where you're going to change the colors and the intensity of the light within the control panel. Now let's go ahead and mock this up and give you a quick demo of what it's actually going to look like. Welcome back everybody. As you can see, we have the dash reassembled with this beautiful deluxe control panel. It's actually on a color I really wanted to highlight. This is going to be on our end, candlelight, but for most other applications it's going to be a color called incandescent. Now, incandescent is ran pretty commonly with OEM gauges and a few aftermarket applications. One to highlight would be Classic Instruments. So if you're running a Classic Instruments gauge cluster, we've got the control panel for you. Now another thing we offer here at Vintage Air is a remote setup cable. This is going to allow for you to have that same functionality on the button from the button on the back of the controller right here on an extended harness. So you can change the colors without reaching your hand behind the dash. So I'm going to walk through the functionality test right here with this button just to show you guys. But I want to remind you that the operations for the button on the back side are the same exact for the button on this side. So if you wanted to set a preset color, what you're going to do is tap and cycle through the colors until you find the color that you desire. For me, it's going to be this red. So you're then going to take your hand off the controller. You're going to see it blink once. That means the color is saved as a preset. Now another cool thing you get with both buttons is the ability to adjust the brightness. So if you want to make it dimmer, for instance, what you're going to do is you're going to hold the button and it's going to go from bright to dim. Now if that's too dim for you and you want to bring a little light back, all you got to do is hold the button again and you're going to go from dim to bright. Well, that's been a complete walkthrough of our new deluxe control panels. Hope to see them in your cars. Hope to see some Vintage Air systems within your cars. And stay cool, my friends.
If you need any parts for your system, make sure you call our sales guys. They're very knowledgeable and can help you out. And if you have any problems with your installation, make sure you call our tech team.